A phased array transducer with a lung exam type is used to evaluate lung sliding. The anterior, lateral, and posterior zones of the chest wall should be evaluated. The transducer is placed in a long axis orientation over the anterior chest wall at the third or fourth intercostal space in the anterior axillary line. The orientation marker is directed to the patient's head. A shallow scanning depth is used. The ribs are identified in the near field of the image as a bright interface with a posterior shadow. The pleural line is identified as a bright hyperechoic line between the rib shadows. The to and fro sliding movement of the visceral pleural against the parietal pleural with breathing generates the lung sliding sign. Evaluate the pleural movement for A-line and B-line reverberation artifacts. To evaluate the posterior pleural space, move the transducer distally to the level of the seventh intercostal space. Slide the transducer posteriorly to the mid-axillary line. Increase the scanning depth to view the interface between the pleural space and diaphragm. In a normal patient, a mirror image artifact of the liver or spleen will appear above the diaphragm.